Here she is in its full glory. Then the brake light is supposed to be here, which I did not see in the eBay. I think it's kind of dirty, but it's a little smudge. I didn't see this when I was looking at the pictures, but it's pure carbon fiber. It's so light, like you can just grab it. It has barely any weight. I think it weighs about like less than 10 pounds, about 10 pounds. So this is where the hookups go. This is where the third light break. I don't know if I use that, but yeah. So in the front, it will look something like this. So it's gonna be something like that. This is the Batman wing for the Batman build. Get my G to be the Batmobile. So cool. So there you guys have it. That is my secret project that I'm working on for this summer. It's gonna be a Batman themed G35, the first in the world. I don't think nobody has that theme on a G35, so I am glad I'm the first one. Now I know you guys have some questions and I have some answers. First, I know you guys might be thinking, are you a crazy fanatic of comics? And no, I'm not. I just like good storylines and good characters. Batman just happens to be one of them. I used to watch, their cartoons a lot when I was a kid, and I always loved their vehicles. It doesn't matter if it was in the cartoons or a series on TV or a movie, they always had cool cars. And this G35 is cool, so I put two and two together and put a Batman-themed G35. The price for the real carbon fiber wing cost me, I know it's long, $300. Now for some of you guys, that is like extremely expensive, but the thing is that if you compare $300 to professional wings, for the drag strip and stuff like that, they cost more than $1,000. So to get a cool looking wing and real carbon fiber for $300 is quite good, if you ask me. And if you guys was waiting for me to put it on the car, I cannot put it on the car yet because I have a lot of stuff to do before I put that wing on. The wing is gonna be like the last touch. However, we live in the age of technology. Now, for those of you who have been following me on Instagram, you guys already seen this in my story because I give updates on my stories and feeds. So if you guys are not following me there, I suggest you do so because Instagram is the filler of what I'm doing now and what I post on YouTube. Here is a sneak peek. That one. The bats are gonna come from the bottom going up and going like that. So it's gonna go bigger and bigger and smaller, like it's a pack of bats that the car is leaving behind. You know what I mean? So I think that one looks great. I think that's a winner right there. So there you go, guys. You have heard my secret plans already. Do you guys like it? Do you think it's too quirky? Do I need to fix more stuff? Now, this wing is 100% universal. You can put it on any car. Now, I will have the link on where you can buy it on Amazon. I just have one demand. If you use my link, please send me a picture on the DMs. It goes down in the DM. It go down. on Instagram so I can see how the Batman wing looks on your car. So there you guys, if you like this type of content, please give me a like on this video. If you like the Batman theme G35, also give me a like on this video. And if you're new, consider subscribing because 2019 is going to be an awesome year, including the Batman theme G35 build. Stay tuned for that. God bless. Till next time, guys. Peace.